Hi, this is English with JL. In this video today, we're gonna teach you about a common mistake that the beginners make in expressing or in speaking English with other people, in expressing themselves. Let's see. The common mistake is that the confusion there was between I and I am. They sometimes use I instead of I am, and I am instead of I, before the verbs and before the noun. Let's see it. For example, the beginners sometimes when they start speaking English, the problem is that they don't even worry in using I and I am. Well, let's see how we can use them better. Because as you know, our dream is helping you to speak English better, faster, and easier. You just need to subscribe with this YouTube channel in order to receive a video every week. Do it right now. Subscribe for more videos. Well, let's see now I. The common mistake is that sometimes people used to say, I am finished. I am finished. Do not say this again. I am finished. It is a mistake in English. Well, so we use I am before a noun. For example, I am Joseph. I am Joseph. I am Joseph. We have I, the personal pronouns, plus am, and then to be, a verb, in present tense. And we use again I am before the adjective. I am happy. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. And people use I am for the present continuous case or for the present continuous tense. In this case, we have at the end of the verb ing. We say, for example, I am speaking. I am speaking. I am speaking. I am walking. I am working. At last, they use I am in order to express the passive case in English. For example, I am seen. I am seen. In this case, we have the verb, which is the past participle tense, or the past participle form. I am spoken. I am seen. I am seen. Well, at last we can say that we use I, people use I before the ordinary verbs in any tenses, in any tense in English. I go. I finish. Do not say I am finished. No. I finish. I start something and then now it's over. I finish my work. Well, I go. I teach. I teach. I teach. I see you. I see you. Well, so I hope this video serves you and helps you understand I hope this video serves you and helps you understand the usage of I and I am in English in order to help you expressing yourself better. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more videos every week. We love you so much in English with JL. Bye for now.